Our next stop in Kolkata food trail is biryani. Without biryani, no Kolkata food trail is complete, to be very frank. And there are quite a few popular places in Kolkata to have biryani, and Shiraz features in the top list. We've been to Shiraz quite a few times. Durga Puja feels complete once we have had Shiraz biryani. You know, that celebration mode. So it is as simple as it can get. And unlike the biryani that we get in Delhi, this biryani, the Kolkata biryani, is milder in taste, and it's quite fragrant with rose water and everything. And the main thing that makes it look different from other biryanis is a boiled potato and a boiled egg in the middle of the mountain of fragrant biryani rice. And I totally dig that. I mean, I like this potato and egg way more than the chicken or mutton in the biryani.
Kolkata biryani is fragrant. I mean, it's the sweet spices that I use. There's no haldi, and there's a lot of saffron and rose water that's used, so that makes it mild.
There are a few branches of Shiraz serving biryani in Kolkata, but we chose the one at Malik Bazar as it is perhaps the oldest. The full name of the outlet is Shiraz Golden Restaurant.
Biryani in Kolkata is different from biryani in Delhi, because biryani in Kolkata is the Awadhi style biryani that's milder. Kolkata was introduced to biryani by Wajid Ali Shah when he was sent to Kolkata in exile from Awadh. So it's the Awadh style mixed with local influences, which is the potato. And since the Kolkata biryani is milder, you can have it with a side, with a mutton or chicken or a vegetarian, not a vegetarian, maybe a curd side. While when you're having biryani in Delhi or Hyderabad, given that it's already spiced up, it's a whole dish, complete dish on its own. And we've tried all the major biryani names in Kolkata, and then we somehow tend to gravitate back to Shiraz because they are the pioneers of commercial biryani culture in Kolkata, and we somehow feel that they have lived up to their reputation over years.
We have also invited our friends to join us this afternoon, as eating out with friends actually completes the Durga Puja festival experience. Our order is here. It's a mix of chicken and mutton biryanis with a couple of side dishes. One biryani is actually enough for 2 people, but if 2 people are sharing the biryani, one must order the special biryani which has an extra piece of mutton or chicken.
Here's my favorite part of Shiraz biryani, the boiled egg. And the boiled potato in biryani.
As I mentioned, one can order side dishes with biryani, and we have ordered a mixed raita and chicken rizala. Just like biryani, these are also mild in taste.
Best biryani ever. And if you're done with biryani and you think that is all Shiraz has to offer, you can order firni too. This is amazing, served in that mitti ka kasora, and very mild in taste. I've had this earlier too, and I'm not a very big fan of kheer or firni, anything milk based, but this is still very nice, and we would highly recommend you try it.
So if you are in Kolkata, you better have some milk-based sweets. That's it.
So we ordered 6 firni for dessert, but they gave us only 3. I thought they are bringing the other 3 in a bit, but then I was told the lids are also firni bowls.
ये भी तो ये है.
मैं सोचा अभी 3 और आ रहे हैं. I think it's just the cover. This is not just the cover. This is another firni.
This firni is a befitting end to this tasty Durga Puja lunch with friends. We have just begun. Kolkata is a treasure trove for food lovers, and we are going to come up with many more Kolkata food videos in the near future. So keep watching our videos. And let us know how do you like our videos by way of likes, comments and shares. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching.